And on that note, especially referring back to the previous vendor, he also sent me an additional chest keycaps. And yeah, these are meant to be like the representation of big anime chess pieces. So yeah, you sent me the blue ones. I was really hoping for, I don't know what I was trying to hope for. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's just funny that it's blue. I don't know why I find it so weird and funny. I guess it's meant to represent some anime alienist fetish or whatever, but I appreciate it. It's so funny. It's the same size as the previous one, but you can tell right away that this one is not as custom because there's no like curvature to the keys. It's made of plastic and it's a lot more straighter than the previous one I had, but regardless, they're beautiful. They feel nice. It's nice. It's a different texture as opposed to the whole clean, clear. I don't know how you describe it, but this texture on this is a little bit rough. So there's actually texture on this as opposed to the clean painted one. It's just a little bit too shiny. And I don't know the long-term effects of my, the oils from your printer is going to affect the paint. So I don't want to touch it as much. But for this one, I think I'm comfortable touching this more often because of the lack of paint per se. And this texture, you can feel it. It's a little bit rougher than the other one for sure. But yeah, I'm not even sure how he created this, to be honest with you. Because it's made of complete plastic, yeah. But this is nice gradient to everything. It's quite interesting. Now I'll compare the other one with you as well. Unless you can see this properly, but yeah, there's like two complete, probably the same size, obviously, but you can see there's a clear coat around the custom, right? You can see the delicacies of the paint job and the tan lines and everything. It's quite nice, but with this one, you can feel the texture of the plastic. And it has this interesting blue gradient coming off to the tip, to the bottom there. And you look at the bottom too. They're cut the same, almost. It's a bit strange, but yeah, it's different. It's different. That's what I like. I like different. And they're funny to me. They're funny. But yeah, more than likely, I'll probably play with these two better, just because I'm afraid of the long-term effects of my oils going over the whole keycap when I keep pressing out things. So thank you so much. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, cheers.
Do you know the way? From an empty sea. What does that even mean anymore?